Good morning, my sunshines. Good morning. Good morning, my loves. Rascal, what do you have in your mouth, baby? You got your bone? Oops, sorry for the finger, guys. Papa? Papa?
A ball.
Oh, my cutito, Papa. Where's my mama? Where's my love?
Half of a ball in his mouth. Ew!
Hi, my sweetheart. What, my loves? Oh, stop it. She's getting all flirtatious. She's been very flirtatious this morning with her love. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You love your honey? I know you do, yes. Mama's. What, baby? Rascal, did she take that away from you? Huh? Rascal. Rascal! She was running back and forth. And she was going all crazy because she's being flirtatious this morning with her honey. I love you, babies. What are you doing? Are you challenging him to take it away? Go get it, Rascal. Go get it, baby. Go get it from her, Papa. Get it from her, Papa. I just want to share this with you guys. Every morning they bring me so much joy, my little loves. And as you can see, all this dust here because they run back and forth. I water like 3 times a day. But this is their backyard and they're very blessed. So I just want to share that with you. May you all have a blessed day. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Silly girl. Bye, Shelby. Bye, Mimi. Bye, Mimi. There she goes. She wants his attention, as you can see. You're a little stinker. I love you, Rascal. This is how she becomes very, very flirtatious with him. She wants his full attention. I love them so much. They're such a blessing. Sorry for the blurriness. It's because of the screen. She doesn't know that I'm recording her. She's making mud pies. She loves being out here. What's that, Mets? What's that, Mets? Look at his dirty ball. Ugh, look at that ball. Rascal, don't be like that. It hurts Mama. If you bite Mommy with those big old teethers, oh, you would get on top of me. Look, oh my God. Papa, get off me, Papa. Oh, yucky. What are these mechas right here? What is that? Give me the ball. Oh, drop it. Drop it. All full of mud. They have my backyard. It's all dirt now. It used to be when we bought the house. So it's all beautiful grass. But when we got this one first, my little baby right there, my little Rascal. And then we got my little mamachitas a few years later. So they destroyed the grass. But it's okay because it's their yard. There you go. Good girl. It's a nice day actually, but it's getting a little hot. It's gonna be 103 over here in Madera, California. But it's shady because I have all these nice trees, as you can see, and there's one over there, and there's one over there. We got lots and lots and lots of trees. One thing I love about my backyard, they're just out here chilling in the swing. Hi.
Okay.
What's up, Kimmy?
I want
She's being silly right now. It's hot out here now. But it's beautiful because I have a breeze, but it's getting hot.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we wish you would. Until the next time, guys. Bye.